Hello everyone! Today we'll be exploring the traditional food culture of Korea. Korea is famous for its diverse and rich cuisine which encompasses the Korean history and culture. Shall we look into the world of traditional Korean food culture together? First, let's talk about Gukbap. Gukbap is one of Korea's representative popular dishes where soup and rice are eaten together. This dish is widely known and highly popular in Korea with a long history. Gukbap is especially favored during cold winter seasons in Korea, and there are many establishments specializing in takeout packaging for this dish. Next, we have jeon, a traditional Korean dish made by coating vegetables, meat, or seafood with flour and pan-frying them. Jeon can be enjoyed by dipping it in a soy sauce-based dip. Popular varieties include pajeon, green onion pancakes, kimchijeon, kimchi pancake, and haemul-pajeon, seafood pancake. Tteokguk is a traditional Korean rice cake soup dish where rice cake are boiled and served in a soup. It is often enjoyed during Lunar New Year, and it is believed that having a bowl of tteokguk will grant good luck for the year and also gain a year of age. Next is OrulB, which is a dish consisting of rice made with 5 types of grains. It is made of glutinous rice mixed with proso millet, sorghum, black bean, and red bean to make the rice, enhancing both taste and nutritional value. OrulB is one of the most representative dish of Daeboreum, the first full moon of the year in the Korean lunar calendar. It symbolizes the hope for a bountiful harvest of grain in the coming year, and it is usually enjoyed with 9 different types of seasoned vegetables. Shinso is a brass shinso pot filled with delectable combination of seafood, meat, and vegetable in a rich broth. It is cooked right at the table over hot charcoal in a central cylinder, which also keeps the dish warm throughout the meal. This particular dish is a prime example of exquisite Korean royal cuisine. Guk Pan refers to a traditional Korean dish featuring 9 different foods arranged on a wooden plate with 9 divided sections. The foods are separated by color and ingredients and includes various namul, sautéed or blanched seasoned vegetable, meat, mushroom, and seafood items. In the center of the tray, there is a stack of miljeonbyung, Korean-style thin pancakes made with wheat flour. This allows you to place the food you choose on a sheet of miljeonbyung, wrap it, and enjoy it as a whole. Bulgogi is a Korean grilled meat dish. First, it involves marinating beef in a sweet and savory sauce, which is a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, garlic, ground black pepper, and other ingredients. After marinating for a sufficient amount of time, you can grill it on a grill or pan and enjoy it. Bibimbap literally means mixed rice. The term bibim refers to mixing, and pap represents cooked rice. It is served as a bowl of warm white rice topped with namul, sautéed or blanched seasoned vegetables. The dish is seasoned with gochujang, red chili paste, or soy sauce, thoroughly mixed and then enjoyed as a complete meal. Kimchi is a representative fermented vegetable dish in Korea. It is made by salting and fermenting cabbage or other vegetables. There are various types of kimchi, and it is commonly enjoyed as a side dish to the meal. Did you know that the first kimchi ever made was actually not red and spicy? We called it baekgimchi, which literally means white kimchi. It is still enjoyed today. Nowadays, there are over 180 different types of kimchi. Hangwa refers to the traditional Korean sweets. Common ingredients of hangwa includes grain flour, fruits, sweet ingredients such as honey and Yach, and spices such as cinnamon and ginger. They are typically consumed during holidays like Chuseok and special occasions such as 제사, ancestral rites, 환갑, 60th birthday, and weddings, offering a wide range of flavors and shapes to enjoy. Yakwa is a traditional Korean deep-fried sweet made by kneading wheat flour dough with sesame oil, honey, ginger juice, and cheongju, rice wine. The deep-fried cookies are then soaked in honey mixed with cinnamon powder and dried, which gives the yakwa a sweet taste and a soft, moist texture. The treat may also be sprinkled with various toppings such as pine nuts or sesame seed. Today, yakwa is not only popular but also considered a trending dessert in Korea. It can be found in a various form including cakes, biscuits, and even as a topping for ice cream. Next, we have yeot, which is one of the traditional Korean confectionaries. It is made by boiling fermented steamed rice with malt until it thickens into a syrup-like consistency. This syrup is then kneaded to create a taffy-like texture, offering a soft and chewy experience with a unique sweetness. Interestingly, yeot can have different meaning depending on the context. When given as a gift to someone preparing for an upcoming test, it symbolizes a wish for their success. However, it is also used as a slang for an insult, so it is important to be cautious about how it is used. Sikhae is a traditional Korean sweet rice beverage made by fermenting rice and malt and then sweetening the resulting extract to create a pleasant flavor. It offers a refreshing and sweet taste, making it a popular choice during the summer seasons. It is also commonly enjoyed in 찜질방, Korean traditional sauna, along with baked eggs. Sujang is a traditional Korean cinnamon beverage made by boiling cinnamon and ginger in water, and then mixing the extract with sugar. It is often served as cold tea or dessert, and you can still find restaurants that offers this beverage as a delightful ending to a meal. As we conclude our exploration of traditional Korean food culture, we have witnessed the remarkable diversity and richness that it offers. If you have the chance to visit Korea, make sure to try these amazing dishes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!